Hello everyone, welcome back to Bog's Kitchen's channel. In today's video we're going to cook blanched lettuce, that famous recipe in China. We need lettuce, 2 cloves of garlic, and seasoned soy sauce for seafood. Wash a lettuce and soak in water with salt for at least 15 minutes. Wash it for 3 times. In a casserole, add 2 liters of water and bring to boil. Add salt. Add tablespoon of oil. And we're going to blanch our lettuce for 30 seconds. Please don't overcook it. Put it on a serving plate. In a saucepan, add a minced garlic and add our sizzling oil. I used olive oil here, and add a tablespoon of seasoned soy sauce for seafood. And just mix it. And add it on our lettuce. So that's it, done and serve. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!